Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to the most powerful and feature-rich IPTV reseller panel on the market, Strong 8K. Whether you're an experienced reseller or just starting, this panel has everything you need to succeed. Let's dive into the amazing features that make Strong 8K stand out. First, the content library is absolutely massive. With over 28,000 TV channels, 90,000 movies, and 20,000 series, you'll have something for everyone. Plus, it supports all popular formats, including 4K, Ultra HD, Full HD, and HD. Now, let's talk about how easy it is to use. To create a new user and generate an M3U or MAG code, simply go to the Users section. Here you can add a new user and select the desired plan. Click on the M3U or MAG. How to extract an M3U line. Click M3U, then add new line. After creating a new account, copy the M3U line and deliver it to your customer. How to use MAG. Click MAG, then add new MAG. Put the MAC address of the device, copy the portal, and deliver it to your customer. It's that simple. Strong 8K offers flexible subscription options, including monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, and annually. We also have a unique credit system, where 120 credits equal 10 years of service. This allows you to easily manage your customers' accounts. One of the most powerful features of Strong 8K is the ability to create sub-panels for your resellers. This allows you to manage your business more efficiently and scale your operations. And if you ever have any questions or need assistance, our 24/7 technical support team is always here to help. In conclusion, Strong 8K is the ultimate IPTV reseller panel. With its vast content library, user-friendly interface, and powerful features, it's the perfect choice for anyone looking to start or grow their IPTV business. If you're interested in learning more, get a free trial, or purchasing a panel, simply contact us via WhatsApp.